In the battle for the stars, two titans stand out: NASA, the original pioneers of space exploration, and SpaceX, the bold innovators redefining what's possible. NASA, founded in 1958, has been at the forefront of space exploration, with legendary achievements like landing the first humans on the Moon during Apollo 11, launching the Hubble Space Telescope, and sending the Voyager probes to explore the far reaches of our solar system. On the other hand, SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, has disrupted the space industry with reusable rockets, affordable satellite launches, and ambitious plans to colonize Mars. NASA's legacy is monumental. The Saturn V rocket remains the most powerful rocket ever built, and their Mars rovers have paved the way for interplanetary exploration. But SpaceX is catching up fast. The company achieved what was once thought impossible, landing and reusing rockets like the Falcon 9, which has become a workhorse for satellite launches and ISS resupply missions. Their Starship rocket, currently under development, is poised to be the most powerful and versatile spacecraft ever, capable of carrying humans and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Even their spacesuits highlight the contrast between the two. NASA's traditional suits, designed for functionality in the harshest environments, have evolved over decades to be reliable and efficient. Meanwhile, SpaceX introduced a sleek, futuristic suit for their Crew Dragon missions, combining aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, making space travel look like something out of a sci-fi movie. One of SpaceX's most iconic achievements is the Falcon 9 booster catching itself by landing upright on a drone ship, a spectacle that never gets old and one that significantly cuts costs. NASA, however, has focused on missions of unparalleled scientific discovery, like the James Webb Space Telescope, which peers back to the origins of the universe, and the Artemis program, which aims to land humans back on the Moon. So, will SpaceX replace NASA? Not quite yet. NASA is a national organization, while SpaceX remains a private company. This might change in the future, with Elon Musk gaining a recent seat in the United States government. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section below this video. We would appreciate if you would like this video, and share it with a friend to raise awareness for our channel. If you'd like to see more from us, consider subscribing.